Hello everyone and welcome to Shorthand Pro. If you are looking to get the job of stenographer, then you are at the right place. Hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell. You are the first to know when I upload anything new.
Get yourself ready for the dictation. The dictation will start after 5 seconds. Start. When democracy returned to Jammu and Kashmir after years of direct administration, there was a surge in hope across the region. Citizens believed that their voices would once again shape governance, and that elected representatives would reconnect a disillusioned public with the institutions of the state. But 1 year later, that hope stands dimmed by administrative confusion and a quiet erosion of political authority. What was expected to be a revival of participatory governance has instead raised uncomfortable questions. Despite the presence of an elected government, the real levers of power remaining largely outside its control. Ministers may propose and appeal, but they cannot command. Civil servants, caught between multiple lines of authority, often err on the side of caution, leading to indecision and inaction. The result files move, but governance stands still, striking resemblance to the governance experience of the Delhi government under the Aadmi Party, where a similar administrative structure blurred the lines between authority and accountability. Under Article 239 AA of the Constitution, Delhi was granted a unique status, an elected government coexisting with a lieutenant governor representing the union. Between 2015 and 2023, this mismatch led to repeated standoffs between the elected leadership and the administrative machinery. The matter eventually reached the Supreme Court, which delivered two landmark rulings: 2018 Constitution Bench judgment: the court held that the LG was bound by the aid and advice of the elected government in all areas except police, land, and public order. It emphasized the principle of cooperative federalism, stating that the LG was not a parallel authority. May 2023 Constitution Bench judgment: the court reaffirmed that the Delhi government must have legislative and executive control over services. It warned that depriving an elected government of such control would reduce representative democracy to a mere illusion. Despite these clear rulings, the union government moved swiftly. Within days of the 2023 judgment, it issued an ordinance later enacted as the Government of NCT of Delhi Amendment Act, 2023. Stop. End of dictation.